G'day and welcome back to another weekly real estate market update. I hope you're having a fantastic week and I hope the heat wave isn't bothering you too much. Insights this week across the Australian property market and locally for us here on the Sunshine Coast. You can check out my full report by heading on over to martinuzzi.com.au. So what's captured my attention this week? Well, property prices certainly aren't slowing down. We've seen a huge surge in buyer demand, particularly since that first home guarantee scheme was launched back in 1st of October. So that's pushing a lot more demand into a very undersupplied property market, particularly here on the Sunshine Coast, where property availability is at the lowest point it's been in over a decade. So less properties available, more demand, competition pushing up those prices even further. So that's one aspect of what we're seeing here on the Sunshine Coast at the moment. The other aspect is construction costs. They continue to rise. So the latest reports show that construction costs have risen again over the last quarter. Now, what that's doing, it means that to find land and build is harder and harder and very costly exercise. So established homes are getting a lot more attention because the replacement costs are fairly equal. So that's actually pushing up those prices as well. So well-presented properties, near new homes, 2 to 3 years old, even those older homes in good locations around the Sunshine Coast that have been partially or fully renovated are getting significant increase of activity on them as well. Properties under the $1 million mark because of that first home buyer scheme, certainly seeing a lot more competition in that category as well. And again, that's inflating the prices quite a bit at the moment. So we have seen construction costs rise. We've seen demand increase, and we've actually seen an increase in buyer confidence. So we've seen the loan approvals, definitely investor activity has picked up pace in the last quarter of September. But we've also seen increase in loan applications from first home buyers and also owner-occupiers as well. And I expect that will climb again in the December quarter. So a lot more confidence in the marketplace, which is again a sign that there's a lot more demand out there for properties at the moment. Now, the forecast looking forward to next year, we have seen like this little mini boom right now. And I think the media is talking about this like growth of a further 10 to 15% over the next 12 months. Some reports that I've read this week indicate different amounts, like 6 to 7% over the next 12 months. And they're actually suggesting that we'll see some growth immediately, but slowing towards the middle of 2026. So interesting to see what will pan out over the next 12 months. But again, read my full report below, link at martinuzzi.com.au. And if there's anything we can help you with on your next property journey, please reach out to myself or the team here. And I hope you enjoy the week ahead. Have a great day.